Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 through 4104 DW, FDN, and FDW printer series with a USB connection. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable if one is present and set them aside. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer and set them aside. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the orange tape from the side of the printer. Remove the clear tape from the paper width guides on the top of the printer. Remove the clear plastic shield from the display panel and HP symbol. And finally, remove the orange tape from the back of the printer. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper width guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. Select your language and tap Confirm. Then select your country or region. On the Select Connection Method screen, touch Connect Later. A message appears to notify you of the features you will not have access to without a network connection. Touch Skip Connection. Set the date and time, and then touch Continue. A Get HP software screen displays with a URL to complete setup. Touch Continue, and the printer enters a ready state. Connect a USB cable between the printer and your computer. On your computer, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/start. Scroll to the Set up a printer section and select Setup. Enter in your printer model and select Next. Select Begin Setup and then select Install HP Easy Start. After the software is downloaded, click the .exe file and follow the on-screen prompts to install HP Easy Start. On the Printer Found screen, select the printer, select USB cable, and then select Continue. Select Full Software and Drivers. On the Installation Agreement screen, review the terms and select Accept. Then, on the Analytics screen, select either Yes or No Thanks, depending on your preference. Note: if prompted to select a printer to install on the network, click My device is not listed, and then click Next. If prompted to connect an Ethernet cable, click Cancel. Fax Setup Wizard will pop up behind the loading screen. Select either Next or Skip. When the Setup Complete screen displays, click Finish. The printer is now set up and ready to use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.